Have you ever wondered why it is better to brand yourself and not brand your company? In this video, I'm going to talk about how you'll benefit when you decide to brand yourself and not your company, and I'm going to do that right now. Hey, what is going on? Usfiso Mhlongo here in Njomaneka Mkapi, and welcome to another quick tip video. If you want to learn how to grow your network marketing business or anything else that's related to network marketing, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And if you are on mobile, you can use the link on the video description below to subscribe. So why do network marketers struggle so much to build a business? Well, a lot of network marketers struggle for many reasons. But one main reason is because they focus too much on promoting their company and not themselves. You know, I used to struggle a lot when I first started in this business because I would promote my company all over social media. So instead of attracting people, I was actually repelling them. And you know, I see a lot of network marketers making the very same mistakes. You know, they make their profile pictures on social media, their company name or their product. Another thing they do is share all of their company's posts about whatever is happening in the company. You know, when someone sees that, they automatically think that you are going to try to sell them something, or maybe try to recruit them into your business. If you're an honest person and you've been doing these things, you need to ask yourself, is it working? How many people have actually joined your business since you've been doing that? Are there other business owners who are doing the very same thing on your team? Are they getting any results? You know, if you are truthful, you already know that the answer is no. What you are really doing is telling people to stay away from you because you are trying to make a profit from them. You know, if anyone does have interest after seeing your company, they'll just Google it and find negative information about your company. Or they'll find someone who knows how to market and join with them. So, you know, when you promote your company's name and products, or you wear clothes with your company's name, there's no need for anyone to ask you anything. If you want to attract people, you need to brand yourself and create curiosity. So why do you need to brand yourself and not your company? Like I said earlier, when you promote your company, how many people actually join you? Obviously, there'll be zero. So if you want to build a profitable business, you need to brand yourself. Why? Because people join people and not a business opportunity. You know, if you pay attention to the top online marketers who are making money, they hardly ever talk about their company. They actually teach something that will help their audience, which attracts people to them. You know, these people are focused on providing value to their prospects. And you know, a lot of times people don't even know what business they are building, but they decide to work with them because of the value that they provide. So you're probably wondering, how do you brand yourself and promote your company at the same time? Well, if you're trying to promote your business, talk about the benefits of being on your team without saying the company's name. You know, you can talk about the benefits that you and the other people on your team are getting from using your products without showing the name of your product. If you create curiosity, people will come to you and ask what you do, or they'll ask what products are you using or where can they get them. You need to understand that people don't join a network marketing business because they want to sell products and recruit people. They join because they want the lifestyle and the benefits that come with it. So if you promote yourself and you show pictures of you doing things that other people would like to do, you'll attract a lot of people to you. Brand yourself and not your company, and you'll greatly improve your results. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And I will see you on the next one. Cheers.